Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. I know how frustrating it can be to feel like no matter how carefully you brush and floss, your teeth and gums still aren't getting that truly deep clean. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to take your oral care to a whole new level. The Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 Professional Flossing Toothbrush. If you want healthier gums, less plaque, and a simpler routine, stick around and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip that can change your beauty and wellness game. This device is a clever combination of a sonic electric toothbrush and a Waterpik water flosser, all in one. Essentially, it lets you brush, floss, or do both with the push of a button. The handle charges in its base, features a 2-minute brushing timer with a 30-second pacer, 2 brushing speeds, and a recharge indicator. The built-in flosser has 10 pressure settings, ranging from 10 to 100 psi, so you can customize your clean. It's designed to tackle plaque and improve gum health, and the brand itself is highly trusted, clinically proven, dentist recommended, and ADA approved. The flosser component holds 22 ounces of water, giving you about 90 seconds of flossing without refills, and the slim handle makes reaching back teeth effortless. In using the Sonic-Fusion 2.0, I found integrating it into my routine surprisingly seamless. Switching between brushing and flossing felt intuitive, and the pressure settings allowed me to find the perfect balance, gentle enough for sensitive gums, but powerful enough to feel like a professional clean. The water flosser's reach is excellent, getting to spots regular floss often misses, and the brushing experience is smooth, leaving teeth feeling polished without any harsh scraping. One thing to note, filling the reservoir isn't complicated, but it does add a small extra step compared to a standard toothbrush. Pros: the convenience of combining brushing and flossing is unmatched. The device is highly customizable, and it genuinely makes oral care feel effortless and thorough. On the flip side, it's bulkier than a standard electric toothbrush, so storage can be a consideration, and the water reservoir adds a bit of setup time. In terms of value, the Sonic-Fusion 2.0 is definitely an investment, but for those committed to optimal dental hygiene, it's justified. You're essentially replacing 2 devices with one, and the clinical backing gives confidence that it delivers real results. Compared to standalone water flossers or electric toothbrushes, this combo saves space, time, and arguably enhances oral care efficiency. The build quality feels premium: sturdy materials, a well-designed handle, and a solid charging base. The device seems built to last, and the high-volume reservoir ensures you won't be constantly refilling mid-floss. I haven't interacted directly with customer support, but Waterpik has a strong reputation for responsive service, which adds peace of mind for any future questions or issues. If you're curious about alternatives, standalone Waterpik models or high-quality Sonic toothbrushes are available at lower price points, but you'd lose the seamless integration of brushing and flossing in one device. For many, the convenience and thoroughness of the Sonic-Fusion 2.0 justify the cost. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Overall, the Sonic-Fusion 2.0 delivers on its promises: cleaner teeth, healthier gums, and a simplified routine. It's particularly well-suited for anyone who struggles with traditional flossing or wants a high-level dental care routine at home. If you value convenience, clinical backing, and effective results, this is a tool that can genuinely elevate your oral hygiene game. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.